Lot 203 is a 2009 Mack Easy Pack 40-yarder. The motor sounds great. It has an Allison transmission. It engages. I'll show you the engine. It's been running for over half an hour. It sounds great. The body has rust on the cabin. It's dented on the roof. It has some surface rust. The door does not close, does not lock. It opens, but it doesn't shut. It doesn't shut. The Easy Pack compactor has a bad blade. It's called the ejection blade. It's cracked inside the compactor. So that can be fixed. Or some people buy these trucks in order to convert them into roll-on roll-offs, which these are ideal for that. But some people fix them. The motor, like I said, sounds great. The interior is dirty. The passenger side seat is torn. The driver's side is okay, but it's just really dirty. It's got several lights on there. It says it's not building air pressure, so that you'd have to check it out. This vehicle should be towed out of here because it won't have any brakes. It's not building up pressure. It seems to be complete. The tires look good in the front. The batteries are dead. The motor's great. I'll show you the body now. This piston was replaced on September 2019. The body has some dents and scratches and rust. There's the rust up there. Rust down here along the edge. As you can see, the tires look good. I'm at the back of the truck now. That's some surface rust there. I'll show you underneath. They were considering keeping this unit because the motor and transmission's good, and they were going to swap it out for another compactor, but they decided not to. We were going to sell it the last auction, but we didn't because they had ideas of doing that, but it changed. Now they said, let's get rid of it. I'll show you the rust. That's the only rust I see along the edge and around the top edge. I'll show you the chassis. Looks good. It's missing the fuel cap. It's covered up with a glove and a tie rock. I'll show you the engine again. In the passenger side, seat is torn. The floor rug is ripped. It's dirty. But I don't see any rust around the cab. The cab is good. Only on the roof is where I see the rust. Here you got the PTO pump.